Hello, Viking Adventures. It is Sunday, the day after the coronation, and I'm in a field near Knutsford, and I'm just going to show you my setup for bike rallies, and it's going to be a similar setup for Spain and Morocco, and France, of course. So here we go. The camera, tent. Yep, there we go. It's an old lich field. Combat 5. There you go. Oh. Lich field Combat 5. It's about 6 foot tall. So I bought 2 extendable poles so that I can actually pop it up. This is old, it's got a few holes in it and it wants cleaning, but it's comfy. So I get my bed one side and then my chair and some other stuff the other side. I've got a bungee here with a chem light on, Siloom. So yeah, that's so that kind of I can see to get in. Then my chair, my other bits and pieces, bike, that's Tilly again. Dry my jacket because it was still a bit damp from the rain on Friday. So, oh yeah, I had to take the secondary fuel filter out, and then I found a crack in the hose, so I'm going to have to replace the hose from the tank to the fuel pump. Yeah, so time to take this down. Catch you later. Bye.